picture of the name.
Then open the ribbon.
Oh, abag naalisin yung ano. Hindi na kita naalis tayo.
Now?
Yes!
Whoa!
Wow!
Look, Mama.
That's from me.
From Tita Epa!
Tita Epa yan.
Kalimutan na naman.
Yay!
It's for you.
For me.
Sa'yo.
It's from Tita Epa. Tita Epa gave that to you.
That's my gift for you. Wow.
Paano bubuksan yun?
Wait. Later.
Later, let's open
You have
it
more
later.
gifts. You have more gifts.
Bakit hindi bubuksan? Paano mana na?
Mamaya na. Here, there's more.
Wait, let's see who gave that to you. Wait. It's to Jikayla from Mommy. Love you.
Mm. Wow! It's truffle.
Meron ka na truffle ngayon. Nagtumatalon din yan.
Oh, you're petting her. Oh.
I will open this.
Wala na ba siya? Ha?
Bigay ni Mami.
Ayun pa.
Nagtago.
Tinatago pa yun sa kanya. There's one more. Oh, let's see who gave this to you. Wait.
Wait na, wait.
See, let's read. To Jikayla from Mamila.
Yay!
So, ngayon patayin ano